Let me pose a question. Is it wise to take a job at a fast food restaurant making $15 an hour or to go to college, incur debt, and potentially secure a well-paying job later? The answer is that these options are ideal for some individuals and society wouldn't function without them. However, if you're anything like me, neither of these options seem appealing. That's why in this video, I want to present what I believe is the smartest path to earning $10,000 a month and provide an alternative to the various options you've heard about. Thanks to the internet, there are numerous opportunities to make money online. If I can do it, why can't you earn an extra $10,000 a month online? I've tried various business models and found the one I believe is the smartest and best, but your ideal path will depend on your unique circumstances. I will try to provide a general answer that applies to most people watching this video. You've probably seen many YouTube videos about making money online and may have heard of SMMA, Social Media Marketing Agency, where a company pays you a monthly fee to manage their social media. While this can work, it's not as easy as people make it out to be. It can be challenging to find clients, and the margins aren't always large. Freelancing, where you get paid for doing work for a company or individual, is another option. This can definitely work, but you're trading your time for money and need to have a specific skill. Real estate is another popular option, with tax advantages and the potential for a great long-term investment, but it usually takes a long time to see a return and requires a large sum of money to invest. Dealing with tenants and maintenance can also be time-consuming and eat into profits, and real estate is not a liquid asset, so it's not easily convertible to cash. E-commerce is another option you may have heard about. In the world of e-commerce, you can make a fortune by selling physical products online. This can be achieved by sourcing these products from a cheaper source and then selling them at a higher price. However, the competition in this field is high, and it can be difficult to find the right niche and products. A marketing budget is usually required. Another popular approach is called drop shipping, where you find a product for sale on one website and then list it on your own site before purchasing it yourself. The product is then shipped directly to the customer, with you acting as a middleman. The profit margins in this method are often not significant, and many people only show their gross revenue, not their actual profit. Although any of these business models can work, and there are many examples of people making a lot of money from them, they are not the smartest way to make $10,000 per month. One common theme among these models is that they involve making videos to promote them. Unfortunately, many of these video makers are not actually doing the business themselves, but are making money by making videos about them. For introverts who don't want to be in front of a camera, uploading content to YouTube is the smartest way to make $10,000 per month. With a script, free stock footage, audio recording, and editing software, you can create content for your YouTube channel. Thumbnail images that entice people to watch your videos can be created with free software like Canva or Snappa. You can earn money from ads that play on your videos, and as your channel grows, so will your income. YouTube is the best platform for introverts to make money by uploading content. With the right tools and techniques, you can build a successful channel and start earning a passive income every month. Estimating that they earn approximately $8 per thousand views, which equates to around $23,000 per month, is not a bad income. And if you have multiple channels generating consistent revenue, it's an even better outcome. Whether you're awake, sleeping, traveling, or pursuing your passions, the money will continue to come in. The beauty of YouTube is that you upload videos once and they have the potential to live forever, earning you income even years later. If you're an extrovert and comfortable in front of the camera, I suggest starting a personal channel. Find a skill you already know about or want to learn more about, become an expert in that field by knowing just 1% more than others, and create an online course to teach that skill. The earnings can be substantial, as you don't need a large audience to sell your course. As an example, my channel Make Money Matt earns me more money than my channels with millions of views per month because I sell a course on how to grow on YouTube. If you have more time than money, I recommend making the videos yourself and uploading them. This gives you the advantage of having a 100% profit margin. If you have more money than time, you can hire people to create the videos for you. I run multiple YouTube channels by hiring a team from websites like Upwork.com and in my course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. I provide templates and step-by-step instructions on how to do it correctly. And if you have neither time nor money, it's likely that you have other obligations, such as a full-time job or school. When I started my YouTube journey, I was still in school, and it was challenging to balance everything. But looking back, I'm grateful for the decision I made. YouTube is the smartest way to make $10,000 a month due to its high leverage. With just one effort, the work can continue to pay you for a long time. It's like planting a seed that not only harvests once but keeps yielding over time. Now check out this video to discover the laziest way to make money online, if you prefer smart work over hard work, just like me. It'll provide you with all the details you need, and I'll see you there.